In this video, we will show you how to replace your Upstream O2 sensor on this Honda Accord. This is part of the exhaust system underneath your vehicle. Let's get into it. Okay friend, let's get started on our Upstream O2 sensor. Carefully make your way inside of the engine compartment. Along the driver's side rear of the engine is where you're going to find the connector. Down inside this area, we'll be looking for this blue wiring and the electrical connector. Squeeze on the locking tab and separate this. A quick check on both ends for corrosion. Assuming that looks good, we can set this aside and make our way underneath the front of the vehicle. Under the front of the vehicle, just behind your passenger side axle, is where you're going to find the O2 sensor. We need to remove it from its mounting point right up along this area. This is very simple. Just take hold of it and gently press it up, being careful not to damage anything. Once you have that removed from its bracket, we can start removing the O2 sensor from the pipe. As you can see, it's pretty much out in the open. We'll be using an O2 sensor socket to remove this. That socket will have a slot going through it for the wiring. There it is, friend. Once you have the O2 sensor out of place, clean and inspect the mounting port. You want to make sure the threading is still in good condition. All right, let's get ready for the installation of our brand new Upstream O2 sensor. Take this and put it in place. We'll be starting it in by hand. Now we'll bottom this out and then torque it to 33 foot-pounds. Start bringing this up. We'll put the wiring into its mounting point here. Double check to make sure that's completely secure. Once you've done that, we can make our way back up inside the engine compartment. All right, so inside the engine compartment, along the driver's side here, we'll reconnect that O2 sensor, line it up, press it in. Listen for a click from that. Give it a tug to make sure it's completely secured. Okay, friend, we fully installed our Upstream O2 sensor. At this point, go ahead and close the hood. Make your way into the passenger compartment and start up the vehicle. Let it run for a little while. Make sure you don't have a check engine light and no exhaust leak. After that, go ahead and take it for a road test. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.